We are trying to evaluate logarithms, and we're at the first level here. What is the value? What is the value of log base 5 of 5? So we just want to write it out in a form that we can kind of see it a little bit easier. So it's equal to some value that we don't know. We'll call that value x. Rewrite it as an exponential function. So remember, log base b of a equals c. There's our base. Logs are always equal to the exponent, and then fill in the last one. So that's how I remember it. So these are how we go back and forth between the logarithms. That's like your mapping, okay? So rewriting it, our base is 5. Logs are always equal to the exponent, so x is our exponent, and we've put that other 5 in the missing spot. So basically, what exponent does this 5 have that you can't see? It's an exponent of 1. So you have to kind of link them together a little bit. Things that have the same base have the same exponent. That's the math trick here. So answer of 1. Okay. See if the next one's any different. That's going to be the same thing. It's basically like these undo themselves. So that's 1 again. So let's see if there's anything different. Are these all 1? Okay, got something different this time. All right, once again, rewrite it. So we would say we're looking at what is the value of this log right here. So log base 6 of 216 is equal to our x. All right, rewrite it. Our base is on the bottom of the logarithm, so it's a base of 6. It's always equal to the exponent, so that's our exponent. And then this is equal to 216. All right, so we have to rewrite 216, and usually we want that same base. All right, so 216 is probably like 6 times 6 times 6, something like that. So let's check. I'm just going to get my calculator. It'd be really difficult to do if it doesn't link together, so it has to link. So we're trying for that same base of 6. So 216 on my calculator, then I'm going to divide by 6, which is 36. I'm looking for those same bases. So I'm doing kind of like a prime factor tree, but making sure I have that same base, and then that's 6 times 6. So you have to rewrite it. The key is you're having to have the same base. If the bases are the same, the exponents are the same. You don't have many other tricks other than this to use on it. So this is really 6 to the x equals 6 cubed, 6 times 6 times 6. If the bases are the same, the exponents have to be the same. All right. I really encourage you to repeat my little sayings after I do. It really helps. So x is 3. See if the next one's any different. I think we're probably okay now. That's the structure of doing these. Yep, so 729 is probably some power of 9. So I'm just going to look on my calculator. It has to be 729 divided by 9 is probably 81. And it is. So the answer is 3 again. So the key is you got to break this number into, first convert it into your exponential form, then try to link the bases together so the exponents are the same.